Hey guys, today's video is on how Miss Michaela here does her makeup before work. And I think she is 100% just flawless. Look at that face, beautiful. And it has some colorful commentary with myself and my friends.
Drunk commentary.
It is funny. So please watch the video. It's gonna be funny.
Tutorials in real life, man. What's up? Like, I'll show you what's up.
Look, she's doing her fucking eyebrows.
Exactly.
Look at that arch.
Exactly.
Arch. Oh, eyebrows down, fleek. Eyebrows.
Too much.
It's a live tutorial.
Too much arch, bro. Come on, let's put this on snap, man.
We're only done now, man.
That killer arch, okay? The arch to kill.
Bring down.
Eyebrows. Eyebrows.
Wait a minute.
Arch.
Show what you're using before you.
So what are you doing? What is that? What is it?
Like, what's up?
You in the spotlight.
Concealer? We're doing a tutorial, a live tutorial with live commentary.
Exactly.
So what are we doing now?
What does she apply? I don't know. Maybe
She's sharpening her eyebrows like a pencil. Okay?
That's the LA Cosmetics.
Kylie Jenner. Yeah, the Kylie Jenner makes it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
The LA Cosmetics.
The Kylie Jenner.
No, Kylie.
Wait, what was
She got a bad body, but her cosmetics suck.
What about Fenty, man?
Fenty is bomb. Rihanna, Riri.
Fenty products, man.
Her products are really good.
boys in the stick?
We sharpening the eyebrows like a pencil. So we get that nice point.
Oh shit. Hey, customer alert.
Bro, I'm not. No, we don't play that shit.
The next eye.
I'm gonna do it anyway.
Where's my commentary, Thomas?
We don't play that shit over here.
I can't.
In public, bro. Like, we don't play that.
I don't even know what that is, but it looks beautiful. It makes it look like 10 times beautiful.
Right? It's Archie. It's killer.
Speak English. I'm probably intoxicated, but the light skinnedness with the dark skinnedness is absolutely beautiful. 10 out of 10 would
Oh my God.
initiate it intense.
Like,
First off,
what the fuck are
the
these
orange
motherfuckers?
nails you do need to amplify. The orange brings out the dark skinnedness with
Wait.
the bandedness. The bond absolutely goddamn. I'm sorry for touching your bond.
What are we doing now? Color correcting?
What she look like fucking Dalmatian, bro.
I gotta
wants
say
this.
what she's doing before
She's
you.
cute though.
Exactly, but nobody wants this on the snap. Come on, I'm waiting for the final product.
Yo, I'm supposed to be the introducer. All right.
Okay, so then tell me some colorful commentary. Tell me what she's doing.
Alright, so what she doing right now, right?
I have not a goddamn idea what she's doing, but it looks goddamn beautiful.
looks
It will turn
fucking
out
beautiful,
absolutely
bro.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, do recommend. 10 out of 10, do recommend.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
27 out of 10.
Bad bitch face, baddie.
5 out of 10.
That face beat.
701 out of 10.
Look at how many products we got. What we doing now? What is that? Is that Fenty? Ooh, we got that Fenty.
Everybody wants
Fenty. That Trinidad Queen. Woo. Caribbean. Woo. So what we doing now?
We doing some Norris concealer.
Concealing. More concealing? I thought we concealed the eyebrows already.
Yes.
So now what are we concealing?
Everywhere else.
Everywhere else.
Yes? No.
Baby, pass me the hookah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, how do I get out of this? I'm confused. I tried to close it. It didn't work. Hello?
So what are you doing now?
Hello? Hey, baby, what are you doing?
Blending everything out.
Beat it, blend it, beat it, blend it.
Huh? It hung up on me.
Probably. Team Rocket just showed up. They had to fucking battle.
They had to go?
Right? They had to battle.
Ooh, Team Rocket.
So what are we doing now?
Eyeball.
Priming the
Eyeballs.
Primer
Eyeballs.
on the eyeballs.
This is priming the eyeballs?
Well, it's setting it right now.
It's
'cause
setting
I put
it.
some, concealer over it, and I don't want it to freeze.
Wow. Where's my colorful commentary?
Go ahead, man.
He's trying to figure out words,
We're
sentences.
gonna line the water, the lower water line with the white.
That's a goddamn water line.
Because it
It makes the eyes look bigger when you put white eyeliner in the bottom.
Big eyebrows.
Eyebrows, talking about eyes.
eyeliner.
It's only in the bottom though. The top you put black.
Yes.
Duh.
Duh.
See?
Yes.
It's a whole process, bruh.
Waiting for these shit to bring contacts here soon.
So what are you doing now?
Lining the upper lash
Just
line.
outlining.
Black liner.
I like
I
it.
just mascara it up.
Mascara it up. This is a whole process. We working. She's doing her face. I'm filming the video. It's been a good. What are we doing now?
Dusting.
Dusting. Dusted. Dusted. Feather dusted. All right. What are we ready for? What's the next step?
Glitter.
Glitter. What are we using?
I don't know how to pronounce that. Anastasia though.
Anastasia. What does it say?
Amarizzi.
No more liquor after this.
Amarizzi.
Amrizzi.
It's beautiful. Amarizzi.
It's wild and look at that. Hey, yes. All right, let's put that on the face. Boom. Get it. Can I have a wind cover, please? Ooh, yes. Sparkle. 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 Arr. Sparkle. Sign. Sparkle. Woo. Why do we gotta get it in the eyebrow?
To raise your arches.
Ooh.
Your arches look more popular.
Ooh. Now, blush. Make rosy cheeks. Ooh.
I gotta bring back my beauty mark. I covered it with makeup.
Gotta bring it back.
Yeah, I covered it with makeup.
Bro.
Right?
I know, right?
Alright, I'm done.
Done? Let's see. Final look. What? Ooh, mist. Setting spray. Set your face. Woo. All right. Smile, Michaela.
3,
I'm all wet now. I gotta wait till my setting dry.
go.
I think you look beautiful, flawless. And you got the perfume, just a little add a spurt. All right, adding some lips, some a little bit of pink. But I think this is a almost finished, I think, done look. Michaela, what do you say?
It better be done.
It better be done. All right, Kristen, what do we think? She does.
Love
She
it.
cute.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
She actually knew the
Beautiful.
product's name.
She knows the product.
It's perfect.
It's perfect. We got
perfect.
colorful commentary. Everyone says she cute. 10 out of 10 recommend.